Hey, Brian here from quantlabs.net. What you're looking at is the Ubuntu virtual machine found in my Oracle VirtualBox. This was a real, how shall I say in a nice way, a real big bitch to set up. What I've been trying to do is trying to find an easy way. Let's just leave it at that. Revisiting the world of C++ after many years of absence does not help. But nonetheless, I think I found something. I'm going to show you what I've got here. You're looking at the set of steps that are used to basically install a high Redis, which is a C++ library that can talk to the Redis server. And then there's another technique that I'm going to show you called pipelining, which will rapidly insert into Redis server. So right now I've got a process where my Redis server is running here. And the interesting thing is I've got a C source file that I've written, or I shouldn't say written, that I was pointed towards. It had some very serious problems with it, but it was stupid problems. But anyways, I just want to show you that this pipeline, what it does is it will rapidly insert random numbers into Redis of whatever I set it at. In this case, I've set it at to 5. I could set it up to 1,000 here, just show you how fast it is. You won't see any output of the Redis server, but it is connected. Let me just run that again just to show you how fast it is. So there is source code for it. If I put it at maybe 10,000, I don't know how fast that will be. But if you were to do that within a standard MySQL or Postgres, it'll be quite slow. But this seems to be pretty fast. So I'm going to try 100,000, see how fast it is. So obviously it's not too bad in terms of the response. And I have the source code for it. And I'm just going to try 1,000,000 here. Hang on here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1,000,000. Let's see how fast this puppy is. Because typically the data sizes I get for time series coming in from a data source, obviously market data can be up to 4 or 5 million. But you just saw how fast that random is for 1,000,000, which is quite good. The unfortunate problem is that is what they would consider a kiss of death in the world of HFT. So right now I'm just trying 4 million, which that's pretty good actually when you think about it. Yeah, so it's still running. I'm going to try something crazy here. We tried 4 million. Let's try 40 million and see how long it takes, because I've heard people say it could take hours. So there you go. That's pretty fast. So even let's try 100 million. Okay, let me just make sure I got this. 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Maybe that. No, that's 10 million. So it's not too bad. 100 million is going to be obviously a long time, but I mean 100 million is pretty extreme, but that's pretty fast for 100 million. And I got the source code up on the private section for the premium members. Let me take you there. Okay, so we're sitting in here in the premium section. Just want to show you where resides, as I said, the members for premium members for the Quant Labs have access to this file. There is a link to get access to it through our membership. But for members, it's very simple. Just come under Downloads, which will take you to here. You come under C++ and look for this little guy right here, High-Res C demo for Redis with test pipeline C. And that's today's date of October 31st. So that exists now. Was a bitch to put together, but it seems to work, and I've shown you how fast it is with 100 million. Seems to work pretty good. It seems to be pretty fast as well. So it's quite possible that we might be able to do this type of database, or not database, but backend repository for tick data using Redis, and I'm hoping to proceed with what I've demoed. But again, it's in C. I'll need to write a set of C++ wrappers, and then be able to demo that with the R calls and see how fast it is from there. Other than that, I'll talk to you later.